In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clean up your MacBook Contact app or your contact list. So if you want to delete unwanted contacts, merge duplicates, or organize them into groups, we're going to briefly discuss some of them today. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. You want to select the General tab on the left side, and then on the right side, select Storage. And then scrolling down, you want to go underneath Applications, and there should be a little I or information circle here. Go ahead and select that. You would select Contacts from the list, and you go ahead and just double click on that to open it up. And then once you've opened up the contact list, you'd have the ability just to select individual contacts you want to delete. So you just would select the icon or the contact itself, and then just select delete, or you can tap the command key and select multiple contacts. There's also an option to look for duplicates. There's a button on the contact app for that. You can go ahead and search for that. And that would be under the card button. You would select look for duplicates. The app would scan and identify duplicate contacts, and then you have the ability to merge the duplicate cards to combine the information into a single entry. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.